stay to watch it fall around us. Bring the